you had to ask me about, great first impressions when we came to visit Vanessa, it's just a completely different experience than we had with for-profit, private, or public facilities. There's less tense, it's more relaxed. There's a freshness about this place. It's incredibly well kept. It's up to date. I think it's really important that the people here enjoy working here. There's many places that we visited where it was clear that either people were on autopilot or they just did not want to be there and they were going through the motions. Weinberg is full of people who care, and they have the resources, and they're organized as a nonprofit to put everything into the care of the residents, unlike most of the other places that we visited. I'd also say, in terms of hygiene, cleanliness, smelling good, the facilities are super well maintained. I would say also they do a great job of making the family feel comfortable. And at the end of the day, no matter what the state of our mom's mental health is, we don't go home and feel bad. And I would say that's the most impressive, most important thing about having our mom here, is that when we're not here, we know that she's being well looked after. This place makes her as happy as she could possibly be and as alive as she possibly could be given her condition. Here you get great value for your money.